Hello, students. Welcome to Class 9 Sanskrit, Lesson 5, titled Vidyaya Bhanti Sadguna, which means virtues shine through knowledge. I hope you are all healthy and happy. Today, we dive into this beautiful lesson from your Monica book. This lesson teaches us a profound truth. Knowledge makes a person's good qualities truly shine. We will learn that true success in life comes only through good actions combined with knowledge. Let's begin the story. Long ago, there lived a sage named Mahatapa in a peaceful forest. One day, the sage was deep in meditation, sitting under the shade of a tree. At that very moment, a crane dropped its dirt on him. The sage became instantly furious and looked at the crane with great anger. Due to the immense power of his penance, the crane immediately burned into ashes. After this, the sage became extremely proud of his spiritual power. The next day, the proud sage went to a Brahmin's house to ask for alms. The housewife there was very devoted and religious. She politely requested, "Please wait for a moment. Let me first finish serving my husband." Hearing this, the sage became angry and looked at her with a furious glance. But the woman smiled and said, "Oh, sage, I am not a crane." The sage was astonished, wondering how she knew about the crane incident. After serving her husband, the woman gave the sage alms and advised him, "If you want to know the true meaning of Dharma, go to a butcher named Dharmavyata." The sage, still surprised, set out the next day to meet the butcher. As soon as Dharmavyata saw the sage, he immediately said, "Respected sage, did that devoted woman send you here?" Once again, the sage was deeply surprised. Dharmavyata humbly explained his devotion. He serves his parents with great care, bathing and feeding them before eating his own food. He sells meat only as his duty, not out of greed. He concluded with a powerful lesson. Ego is the greatest obstacle in gaining true knowledge. After hearing Dharmavyata's words, the sage experienced a complete transformation. The sage's ego finally disappeared. He understood the true meaning of Dharma, humility, and genuine spiritual power. So students, we learn that true knowledge doesn't come only from penance or power. It comes from performing our duties, serving others, and maintaining humility. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thank you.